Most Canadians grow up in families of four: a mother, a father, and a brother or sister. When they are about 1 year old, they start to go to daycare. It's a nice house where they play with other little kids. The people there watch the kids, feed them, and help them sleep. They learn to share toys, follow rules, and wait their turn. At 4, they start kindergarten, the first step in school for children. In kindergarten, they learn letters, numbers, colors, and songs. They play games, listen to stories, and paint with their hands. Their teachers help them learn how to get along with others, listen quietly, and ask for help. At 6, they start primary school. They study there until the age of 11. They go to school 5 days each week, usually from 8 to 3. They learn to read, write, and do numbers. They also learn about animals, plants, people, and places. They make friends, learn games, and sometimes bring home awards when they do well. At 12, they start secondary school, where they study until they are 17 or 18. The lessons in secondary school are more difficult. They have many teachers for different subjects: reading, mathematics, science, music, and sport. They also learn how to analyze, ask questions, and talk about big ideas. They feel more pressure, but they also feel more like adults. They join clubs, play team sports, and do community work. They make mistakes but learn from them. In their last year of secondary school, some Canadians decide to go to university. They choose a major they love: sciences, human science, accounting, biology, astronomy, etc. They leave home and move to a new city and live in the dorm. At first, it is hard being away from family and making new friends. But they learn to cook, clean, and care for themselves. They study a lot, write technical papers, and go to conferences. Sometimes they stay up late to finish their work or to talk with friends. Each year, the work gets harder, but they get better too. They learn how to think in new ways and how to talk about complex things. They work with others, ask for help, and also help other people. They make new friends. After a few years, maybe 4, they finish university. At the graduation ceremony, they wear a big black coat and hat, walk in front of people, and hear their name. They smile big. Their family claps and maybe cries a little. They start their adult lives. Now they are ready for the next part of life. They have grown a lot from a small baby to a smart, strong, and kind person. They are ready to use what they know to help others, work, and keep learning every day.